Hey everybody, Shu here. Today we're going to tie a larger diameter line or rope to a smaller diameter. The best knot to use in this case is called a sheet bend. And we're going to go ahead and tie that now. All you simply have to do is bend your larger diameter line into a loop. Get your smaller diameter line, just run it through the loop, bring it around, then run your short end through the loop that you made, that you originally went through with. Once you do that, you simply pull on the longer side and it's going to cinch itself right up. Sheet bend. Now we're going to do a quick release version of this knot. To get this knot out, all you have to do is, if you go roll on the back side, this little bend that goes on the back side of it, not the lock side but the bend side of it, you simply just pull back on that and the whole knot just comes undone. So let's get to that quick release knot. All right, for this knot, we're going to do the sheet bend almost the same way. You're going to make your first bend in your larger diameter. Now you're going to need a little extra line this time to go through your loop. Once you go through the loop, you can actually just let go of this side. And I've found that if you put your finger right here, so it looks like that, you can simply use your smaller diameter line, just go around it once, twice, 3 times. Once you go around 3 times, with your shorter piece here, all you're going to do is you're just going to simply make a bend in that, put that bend inside of this loop. Once you do that, you just pull the longer piece and just work these 3 bends up a little, then pull tight, and it will cinch on itself, locks itself in. And to get this off, very, very simple. Once you're done using it, you simply just grab your tail end here, pull that out, and the rest of the sheet knot comes undone. So that's how you tie a sheet knot and a quick release sheet knot, which are used to hold a larger diameter and smaller diameter lines together. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. If so, you can just throw a thumbs up, comment. If you know another type of sheet bend, go ahead and throw it in the comments. I love learning about knots, so we hope to see you on the next video.